Welcome to Peggy's Homestead Adventures. Join Peggy as she tends to her garden and discovers the joys of growing her own food. As the morning sun rises, Peggy lovingly waters her garden, encouraging her plants to thrive. Within the garden, Peggy finds a bustling family of ladybugs, diligently protecting her crops. With jars lined up on the kitchen counter, Peggy carefully cans her surplus vegetables, ready for winter. Peggy constructs another cozy greenhouse, excited to extend her gardening season and experiment with new plants. Together, Peggy, Gabby, her niece, and her pet goat Biscuit picked ripe apples from their orchard, the trees heavy with fruit and the ground littered with fallen apples. At a community workshop, Peggy demonstrates the art of composting, turning kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich soil for a garden. Peggy carefully placed the baby bird back into its nest, watching as its worried parent return with gratitude. Peggy invites her neighbors for a delightful potluck, featuring dishes made from her garden's bounty. Surrounded by eager children, Peggy explained the magic of planting seeds and watching them grow at her niece's school. As dusk settles, Peggy relaxes on her porch, listening to the soothing sounds of nature around her. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more of Peggy's Homestead Adventures.